Today, Tesla made two major announcements about its long-awaited affordable electric vehicle. The first confirmation is that this budget-friendly model has now officially appeared on Tesla's website. However, contrary to previous rumors, it won't be called the Model Q. For now, Tesla continues to refer to it simply as its affordable model. The second announcement confirms that Tesla will soon begin accepting pre-orders for the entry-level model, temporarily known as the Model 2, with a base price of $15,990. This starting figure applies to the standard version, while higher trims with extended range and better performance will cost slightly more. Even so, Elon Musk has reiterated that every version will remain under $20,000. Despite this exciting news, customers can't place pre-orders just yet. Tesla is expected to open the pre-order window on November 6, initially limited to about 10,000 units. These early reservations will also come with certain eligibility criteria such as regional availability, income level, and a few other basic requirements. Once the limit is reached, the portal will close without prior warning. Naturally, this raises two major questions: how exactly will the pre-order process unfold, and what does this newly announced Model 2 actually look like? The truth is that affordable electric vehicles have not yet fully conquered the mainstream market. The biggest obstacle has always been the lack of an EV that's truly affordable and dependable enough to replace a traditional gasoline car. Consumers aren't eager to spend $40,000 on an electric vehicle that can't travel far or lacks the essential features of a conventional car. While some tech enthusiasts or higher-income buyers might accept that compromise, most people still find such prices impractical. Over recent months, numerous reports and videos have speculated about Tesla's new low-cost model, some suggesting it could start under $15,000 or even as low as $10,000. Multiple sources have also hinted that production might take place at Tesla's Fremont factory, using the company's new Gen 3 platform designed to drastically reduce manufacturing costs. Recent footage of two Model 2 prototypes testing in Texas seems to confirm that the real-world starting price, after incentives, will indeed be around $15,990. Importantly, affordability doesn't have to mean poor quality. Reports from credible outlets and Tesla insiders indicate that the first production batch, roughly 10,000 vehicles, has already entered limited manufacturing and will likely make its debut at Tesla's upcoming November event. The announcement has sent shockwaves through the automotive world, not only because of the price but also due to what the Model 2 represents, a strategic shift for Tesla from producing premium cars to building affordable, mass-market EVs. While rivals like the Chevrolet Bolt and Nissan Leaf have competed in the lower-cost segment, neither has truly transformed the market in terms of technology or pricing. Even at around $30,000, those cars remain out of reach for many buyers. What makes the Model 2 truly revolutionary is Musk's vision, an electric car priced around $15,990 that still carries Tesla's hallmark technology and driving experience. Musk has mentioned this target price several times in public, saying Tesla aims to build a car costing roughly $10,000 to manufacture and sell for under $20,000. Skepticism is natural given Musk's history of missed deadlines and price shifts, but the Model 2 inspires more confidence than past promises. That's because Tesla is reusing much of the core technology already proven in its other vehicles. The Model 2 will benefit from in-house production efficiencies, Tesla's new, unboxed, manufacturing method, and the powerful Gigapress system, all of which help lower production costs while improving quality. It also borrows heavily from the Model 3 and Model Y, including key components like the drivetrain, LFP battery cells, control software, and autopilot system. This strategy allows Tesla to cut costs, streamline assembly, and produce a truly global mass-market EV. Tesla's vertically integrated structure gives it unmatched advantages in manufacturing, engineering, and AI-driven software and hardware. By producing most of its essential components internally, Tesla avoids reliance on external suppliers. Insiders say the Model 2 could be produced for around $10,000 and sold for $15,990 while still maintaining strong profit margins. With the company's scale and expertise, this pricing model is financially viable. Interestingly, contrary to earlier expectations, the Model 2 might not be a hatchback but rather a compact crossover. The design language will remain minimalist, with smooth, sculpted lines and an understated but recognizable Tesla identity. About 20% smaller than the Model 3, it's designed for maximum cost efficiency while maintaining Tesla's clean, futuristic aesthetic. Expect to see familiar design cues, continuous LED light bars, streamlined wheels, and an elegant four-door profile. Inside, the focus is practicality over luxury. The compact cabin will comfortably seat 5 passengers and feature a simplified layout that prioritizes affordability. Tesla may use less expensive materials for the dashboard and trims, reduce the touchscreen size from 15.4 inches to around 12 inches, and skip non-essential features like ventilated seats or ambient lighting. It won't include rear seat displays or many physical buttons either. Instead, most controls will continue to be managed through the central touchscreen, staying true to Tesla's software-first approach that supports over-the-air updates. While this stripped-down interior may disappoint some customers, it's intentionally designed to keep the car accessible. Musk's goal has always been to bring EV ownership to the masses, not to build a luxury product at a low price. Yet, the Model 2 won't lack innovation. One significant upgrade may come in the form of a new 48-volt low-voltage electrical system, a more efficient setup Tesla has been planning to introduce in future vehicles. Beyond this, the most revolutionary aspect of the Model 2 could lie in its battery technology. Rumors and internal reports suggest that Tesla's first-generation aluminum-ion battery may finally be transitioning from lab testing to real-world trials. This breakthrough chemistry could completely redefine the EV market by offering longer range, faster charging, and lower cost compared to today's lithium-ion and LFP cells. In technical terms, aluminum-ion batteries work similarly to lithium-ion ones but use aluminum ions, which carry 3 positive charges instead of 1. This allows each ion to move more charge, potentially delivering much higher energy density without relying on expensive or rare materials. In theory, this could mean ranges exceeding 700 miles, and possibly even 1,000, on a single charge. If Tesla manages to scale this technology for the Model 2, it would be a massive leap forward, dwarfing the current Model Y's 330-mile range and even outperforming cheap EVs like China's $10,000 BYD Seagull, which averages only about 200 miles. However, these numbers remain theoretical for now. Real-world implementation of aluminum-ion chemistry faces challenges in mass production, longevity, and safety validation. LFP batteries, though less energy-dense, are cheaper, safer, and more durable, reasons why Tesla and other automakers use them in lower-priced models. But the trade-offs are obvious: shorter range and slower charging. Many buyers hesitate to adopt EVs that can't match the convenience of gasoline vehicles. Aluminum-ion technology promises to overcome these barriers by delivering faster charging, potentially reaching 80% in just 10 to 20 minutes, and extended range, addressing 2 of the biggest consumer pain points. Still, Tesla will have to balance innovation with practicality. High energy density claims in the lab rarely translate perfectly to production vehicles. Factors like cooling, wiring, and protective structures reduce actual efficiency at the pack level. Even so, if Tesla manages to retain a large portion of this performance, the Model 2 could redefine what an affordable EV can achieve. For now, Tesla's baseline figure of 53 kilowatt-hours for a range of roughly 250 miles remains the practical starting point. But if aluminum-ion packs reach mass production, those numbers could double without drastically increasing the car's price. Ultimately, Tesla's decision comes down to whether to play it safe with proven LFP chemistry or take the risk of pioneering aluminum-ion at scale. The first option keeps costs stable but limits range, while the second could revolutionize the EV industry if successful. The choice will shape not only Tesla's future but also public trust in electric vehicles. In the end, the Tesla Model 2 symbolizes more than just affordability. It represents the company's ambition to democratize electric mobility and challenge every assumption about what a low-cost EV can be. The question that remains for drivers is simple: when it comes to an affordable electric car, what matters more, safety or range? Share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe for updates, and stay tuned for Tesla's next big announcement, which could arrive in just a few days.